Fireworks. There's the fireworks there. Borgata style. Supposed to be the second largest on the East Coast, in the United States. This fireworks display. There it is. Very loud. And you hear the echoes. You see the buildings are right next. There's a water club. They have all the lights turned out, and there's the Borgata. But if you can understand the echoing effect here, it's just unbelievable. You hear the fireworks echoing off the buildings here, and it just, I can hear the echoes to my far right. Sounds like firecrackers right in the back of my right ear there. It's just amazing. But this is probably going to go on for about 20 minutes or so. Fireworks at the Borgata. That's a big one there. All different kind of colors. I don't know if it's going to come through on the video.